This is the secret to YouTube. Since 2015 until now. Gosh, is that 9 years? I've been on this channel for 9 years. Wow, that's bad. Solid mind here, and today we are looking back at 2025. This has been my best year on YouTube in terms of posting videos and my channel blowing up. For me anyway. So let's look at the stats of my channel. So this year, you know what? Let me open up my YouTube, show you the view count of my channel. So, in my entire lifetime on YouTube, my channel has received 252,994 views as of today. Today is December 29th, 2024. So I've received 250,000 views in my entire time on this channel. Now that sounds like a lot, but I've been on this channel for over 6 years. So that just shows you that that's not a lot. But let's look back at 2023, the previous year, so I can tell you why this year has been my best year. In 2023, I received 20,000 views in the entire year. So as you can see, since 2015 until now, gosh, is that 9 years? I've been on this channel for 9 years. Wow, that's bad. That's really bad. Okay, anyway, so in 9 years, this channel has received 250,000 views. My goal is one day to achieve that in one video, not in an entire lifetime of YouTube. Then let's look at last year. Last year alone, I received from January 1st to January 31st, 2023, I received 20,411 views in 1 year, which is bad. I did not post many videos, and my most viewed video in that year was the Motorola Razr V3, where I received 8,000 views on that video. So that's not bad, I guess. 20,000 views in 1 year. And I didn't post many videos. 2024, I have received 96,351 views, almost 5 times the number of views. And why did I achieve that? It's because I posted 5 times the amount of content this year. My most viewed video, I posted 5 days ago. That video, as of today, has 9,300 views. Imagine, you spend a whole year posting, and in just one video, which I posted 5 days ago, I have received almost half the views I received in the entire year of 2023. That just shows you that, okay, so I've posted a lot of videos this year, and some of them have 9,000 views, 7,000, 6,000, quite a bit. And I'm going to put a screenshot of some of the top videos that came out this year for me. And this is the secret to YouTube. I haven't received, the average views for a video have not changed in the last 2 years. So I'm getting on average, when I post a video within a month, between 10 views and 100 views. When I leave that video for about a year, it gets between 100 to 1,000 views per video. So and some of the big ones maybe get 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 views. My most viewed video I posted 5 years ago, and that video got 25,000 views. So I still haven't made a video yet that has beaten a video I made 5 years ago in terms of view count. And I hope this video might beat that one day. But long story short, it's the secret to YouTube is consistency. It's posting as much as possible. The quality of your content matters, but I have made 5 times the views. So I guess the secret to YouTube is just consistency. And as I go into YouTube, and by the way, guys, thanks for subscribing. Like this year, let me show you the stats actually. This year alone, let me show you my subscriber count so you guys can see. It's getting dark, I need to get going, and it's freezing as well. It's like, what is this? Like 5 degrees Celsius here. So my hands are numb right now, and I'm just doing this so you guys can see. So for example, right, in the last year, I'm gonna share my screen. I have gained, here you go, 120 subscribers in the last year. In 2023, I gained, as you can see here now, 9 subscribers. So I gained 111 more subscribers just in this current year. So for all you 110 subscribers who've joined me this year, welcome. Leave a comment down below just saying I subbed or something. And the comment section, you guys, like, I check my comment sections not a lot, but I have hundreds of you guys commenting. So keep commenting, I read them all. I might not reply, but I read them all. So thanks for watching, guys. As I go into this new year, my goal is to get this channel next year. I have a big goal to 2,000 subscribers. So when 2025 December 29th or around that time hits, I hopefully want to make this video. You know, I want to clip this video right now. So next year I can be like, hey, future Maliko, congrats on hitting 2,000 plus subscribers. I don't want to look back and be like, oh, you missed it. So subscribe, like the video, subscribe to it. Thanks for watching. My hands are numb, I'm freezing, it's cold, and normally deers come around here, but I don't see any deers today. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, peace.